Disney Sports Soccer. Welcome, everybody, to the latest broadcast of the Disney Sports Network. Live from Stade des Chateaux, this broadcast is sure to be filled with thrills and excitement. Here come both teams at the field. The Sea Ducks, the Superstars. This game decides who will be part of the 4 best teams. The referee for today's game, Jose Carioca. Okay, it's kickoff time. All right, let's introduce the team. Okay, the team playing on the right is the Sea Ducks. They're in a 5-4-1 formation. And the team on the left is the Superstars. Oh yeah, they're in a 3-5-2 formation. Moving in from the left. Score! Uh-oh, this is gonna add pressure. Yeah, that's good. The long distance shot. This is a goal kick. It's a goal kick. Yeah, here they come on the right. Player number 7. This runs directly up the middle. And they force their way through. Little forward pass. They're headed across the field. There it is. Slink. Hey, Martha's pretty good. They shoot. Player number 3. Trying to block away. Player number 10. Catches the ball in midair. They're trying to stop him while getting that. Player number 9. Pass to the left. They're making a run from the left side. Ooh, and a player down. They defend. Sliding. That's a tackle from behind. Lining it up. Player number 10. This could be their chance. They marked them pretty good. Yes, the bicycle kick. That ball is flicked out. That's a long shot. Amazing save! This runs directly up the field. Mickey! Player number 9. And they defend. They're aiming for the goal. The ball is in! Back to the center. Take aim on the goal. Go! 25 minutes into the first half. The Sea Ducks lead in a lovely goal. The Sea Ducks lead by a goal. Player number 5. This is their chance. Player number 11. How about that? Ooh, and a good save. Player number 9. Uh-oh, this is gonna happen. They're making a run from the left side. Player number 8. Look out, here they come on the right. They're aiming for the goal. Wait, taking in. Amazing save. Okay, this one's going to do it. Player number 10. Player number 9. Mickey. They're making a run from the left side. Player number 9. Donald. Ooh, that's Mickey. Player number 11. Player number 10. This runs directly up the middle. Look out! Here comes the Donald. Player number 5. Ooh, looks like a shove. Player number 6. They're making a run from the left side. Ooh, and a player down. Look out, here they come on the right. Player number 8. Ooh, and just player number 4. There's the whistle signaling the end of the half. That's the first half of the game, and the score is 1-0. The Sea Ducks are returning to the game with 1 goal.
I've got to keep my eyes on that ball.
Player number 10. Oh no, they missed it! Player number 6. Boom! Pass to the center. Player number 8. And they force their way through. And we're 5 minutes into the beginning of the second half. The Superstars. They need to get the crowd into the game with a goal. Now that's a shot. Player number 10. Player number 6. Oh, they kept the ball. Golden opportunity to score another goal. Player number 2. The score. And the score is 1-0. With only a goal difference, there's no telling what could happen. Ooh, sliding it. Score! It's a shot from the other side. Player number 8. This runs directly up the middle. Uh-oh, this is gonna happen. 15 minutes into the beginning of the second half. Trying to pass away. The long distance shot. Ooh, good save. Player number 10. Look out, here they come on the right. Mickey. They're making a run from the left side. They're trying to stop them getting that. Oh no, they missed it! Player number 11. This runs directly up the middle. Player number 5. He catches the ball and hit it. Score! Player number 7. Player number 2. The Sea Ducks. Player number 6. Just can't keep up anymore. Player number 3. Player number 5. They're attacking. Marking pretty good. Ooh. Player number 7. Donald. Player number 6. It's a shot from the other side. And they cleared it. And they're shot.
I did it!
Player number 2. Player number 9. This is their chance to tie it up. Mickey, they shoot! Player number 10. Look out, here they come on the right. This is intense offense and defense. Amazing. Player number 6. Tap with the chest. Sliding. Player number 7. Player number 8. Ah, there's no one to pass to. Oh, they kept the ball. They got the ball handle corner. Player number 5. They're making a run from the left side. The superstar. They still have time to score. Ooh, close. Ooh, sliding in. Player number 9. Mickey. Well, that tackle just cost him a free kick. Free kick. Mickey. They shoot. Player number 10. This runs directly up the middle. There goes the whistle and the time is up. The Sea Ducks made a move up the ladder. Thanks for joining us today, and now we're gonna pop down to the locker room and meet one of the stars one-on-one. Today's Disney Sports Network player of the game is Donald. Hey, congratulations on your victory today.
Thank you very much.
That was an incredible goal today.
Of course I did.
Great. What are your goals for this team?
We're gonna be the champions.
Yeah. Hey, thanks for joining us today, everybody. Hope to see you next time on the Disney Sports Network. Ta-ta! Welcome, everybody, to the latest broadcast of the Disney Sports Network. Live from the Great Sun Stadium. This broadcast is sure to be filled with thrills and excitement. Here come both teams on the field. This is a great matchup between two powerful teams. The stadium is overflowing, literally and figuratively. It is standing room only. The referee for today's game, Jose Carioca. The first half's about to start, and here's the kickoff. Here we go! All right, let's introduce the team. Okay, the team playing on the right is the Sea Ducks. Is in the 5-back formation. And the team on the left is the Wolfgang. Is in a 3-top formation. Almost 4 minutes have passed since the beginning of the first half. Player number 9! Amazing save! They shoot! Oh yeah, baby, it's in! 6 minutes into the first half. Whoa, a tremendous center shot by the Wolfgangs. Player number 8! stadium is rocking and rolling. The Wolfgang have scored and lead by 1 goal. They're making a run from the left side. Ooh, that's player number 7. Player number 8. Player number 10. This runs directly up the middle. Amazing. Ooh, and a good save. They got the ball in the corner. They shoot! We are 15 minutes into the first half. The Sea Ducks! We're caught off guard. The Wolfgang lead the counterattack to the right. Player number 11. Look out, here they come on the right. Are they gonna connect? Looks like they're centering the ball. Very nicely played. Player number 6. Player number 8. Player number 9. They're headed across the field. This runs directly up the middle. Moving in from the left. The Sea Ducks had a chance to pull off an upset win had they scored there. It's a goal kick. Player number 7. The ball goes out. This is getting good. Player number 9. Player number 10. He put the D in defense. Somebody got hit. The opponent gets the corner kick. Near post. Little header. Ooh, and a good save. Donald. Taking aim. Player number 9. Big bad wolf. They're making a run from the left side. Player number 2. Back to the center. This runs directly up the middle. And they defend. They shoot! Ooh, and a player down. Bad move! Uh-oh, this is gonna happen. Big bad wolf! Player number 11. They're trying to stop him, I'll give him that. Player number 3. Look out, here they come on the right.
Keep it going!
Big bad wolf! That's a long shot. Amazing save! Donald! This runs directly up the middle. They got the ball in the corner. They shoot! Ooh, and a good save. Amazing save! We are 40 minutes into the beginning of the first half. Player number 10. They marked it pretty good. Taking aim. Another corner kick chance. It's the best chance for the Sea Ducks. Shot! Will they score here? There's someone open right in front of the goal. And they cleared it. Big bad wolf! Ooh, that's... Now that's a shot. Go, go, go! Extra time in the first half. Totally cool shot by the Sea Ducks! Player number 10! The Sea Ducks really need to score again. And the first half of the game is over. That's the first half of the game, and the score is 2-1. The Sea Ducks are returning to the game with 1 goal. All right, it's the second half. Player number 11. Big bad wolf. This is their chance to tie it up. Player number 2. Ooh, looks like a shove. Oh yeah, baby, it's in! 3 minutes into the second half. Donald with his second goal of the turn. Looks like the balance is shifted for these two teams. They're being aggressive on the attack.
Are you open?
They're attacking from the right. Uh-oh, this is gonna add pressure. Player number 7. They shoot! Ooh, and just click. Kind of blocked away. Ooh, stagnant. Taking aim on the goal. Ooh, and good save. Donald. This runs directly up the middle. They got the ball handler cornered. That's what I like to call a horrible kick. Player number 7. Player number 8. Ooh, looks like a shove. Player number 11. Ooh, and a player down. Player number 10. Big bad wolf.
Get open!
Uh-oh, this is gonna add pressure. Amazing save! Yeah, that's good defense. Player number 6. And they cleared it. They're making a run from the left side. All the way to the front. Player number 9! This runs directly up the middle.
You know what to do.
Very nicely played defense. Player number 3. Okay, here's the throw in. Player number 6. Look out, here they come on the right. Trying to block away. Player number 5. Ah, there's no one to pass to. They're headed across the field. This runs directly up the middle.
Hey, get off!
Little forward pass.
boys.
Big bad wolf.
To do.
And they cleared it. Look out, here they come on the right. Player number 10. They're being aggressive. How about that? Well, that was too bad. This runs directly up the middle. Player number 6. Player number 5. Player number 10. They got the ball handler corner. Ooh, that's hard. Player number 5. Look out, here they come on the right. Ooh, looks like a shove. Very nicely played defense. This runs directly up the middle. And they defend. The Wolf Gang. Throw in. Uh-oh, this is gonna happen. They shoot. Player number 7. It's a little corner kick. It's the best chance for the Wolf Gang. To the left side of the post. Tap with the chest. Kind of far away. Amazing. Ooh, and a good save. Player number 9. They're being aggressive on the attack. The Sea Ducks. You know, the team's starting to look a little sluggish. My experience tells me people are running out of steam. It's past the goal line. And the score is 3-1. The Sea Ducks. The score is tied now. It's going to get interesting. Player number 2. Amazing save. Player number 9. This runs directly up the middle. Player number 6. Ooh, looks like a shove. 2 players in the center. Jumping to the header. Oh yeah, baby, it's in! In the added time of the second half, the Wolfgangs have one more goal to go. They answer the cheering of their fans. The Wolfgang have closed the gap. One more goal to go. That was the whistle signaling the end of 90 minutes. Now that was a good match by the Sea Ducks. Thanks for joining us today, and now we're gonna pop down to the locker room and meet one of the stars one-on-one. Today's Disney Sports Network player of the game is Donald. You did it! You and your team are going to the finals. What do you say?
Well, what do you do? The finals.
No, there's plenty left where that came from. You're on fire. Great job in pulling off the huge upset. Congratulations.
You was easy.
No, there's plenty left where that came from. You're on fire. That was an incredible goal today.
Of course I did.
Great. What did you think about your opponent today?
Yeah, good. Thank you very much.
Oh, yeah. Hey, thanks for joining us today, everybody. Hope to see you next time on the Disney Sports Network. Ta-ta! Welcome, everybody, to the latest broadcast of the Disney Sports Network. Live from Stade des Chateaux, this broadcast is sure to be filled with thrills and excitement. Here come both teams out of the field. At last, the finals. It all comes down to this. Okay, then, fasten your seatbelts, because it's game time! The referee for today's game, Jose Carioca. Okay, it's kickoff time. All right, let's introduce the team. Okay, the team playing on the right is the Sea Ducks, is in a one-top formation, and the team on the left is the Charmers. They're in the 3-6-1 formation. We're looking at 3 minutes since we started the first half. Player number 8, the return. What a kick! Little forward pass. They're making a run from the left side. Sliding. Player number 9. Back to the center. Player number 6. This one's directly. Ooh, that's he marked him pretty good. Okay, here's the throw in. This is gonna add pressure. This is a goal kick. It's a goal kick. Yeah, that's good defense. They're making a run from the left side. Player number 7. This runs directly up the middle. It's missed! They blew it! Player number 4. They're trying to stop him other than that. They shoot! It's definitely in! We are 15 minutes into the first half. Donald! No doubt about that. Everybody's on their feet. The Charmers need a counterattack. We are 15 deep, people. 15 minutes into the first half. The Charmers. There's no need to hurry, people. Still plenty of time. This is their chance to tie it up. Player number 8. Player number 9. Ooh, close. There's no one to pass to. Donald. This runs directly up the middle. There it is. Oh! 25 minutes into the first half. The Sea Ducks score another point. They answer the cheering of their fans. The Charmers need to counterattack. Player number 11. To the right. Away. Player number 6. Player number 11. They shoot. Ooh, what a good save. Player number 6. Player number 5. There's no one to pass to. Nice long kick. Player number 4. This runs directly up the middle. This may be it. This intense offense ends. They shot it there. The ball hit the post. Player number 5. They got the ball handler corner. Little forward pass. To the left. To the right. Player number 10. Donald. Competition is intense. Look out, here they come on the right. Player number 7. Will they score here? Centering. 2 players in the center. Player number 10. Taking aim. Yeah, that's good defense. Amazing. To the left side of the post. Player number 11. Amazing save! This runs directly up the middle. Player number 3. They shoot! They're showing us some sweet moves. Donald. They're being aggressive on the attack. Look out! Here comes them. Ooh, what a good save. This is gonna have pressure. Back to the center. It's in the air. Header. Oh! Just before the end. The Sea Ducks! Player number 10 with his 3rd goal of the tournament. The Charmers need to counterattack. This runs directly up the middle. Minnie! Boom! Pass to the center. Player number 3. There's the whistle. That's the first half of the game, and the score is 3-0. The Sea Ducks are getting back into the action with 3 goals. Player number 10. Look out, here they come on the right. Can they defend? Donald. Ooh, close. This runs directly up the middle. Player number 11. Look out, here they come on the right. Short pass. Player number 3. This runs directly up the middle. There it is! Shot directly in front of the goal. Correct shot of the goalie. Player number 6. Pass to the left. Player number 9. They're making a run from the left side. Minnie. They got the ball handler corner. Taking in. He put the D in defense. Minnie! Ooh, looks like a shove. Middle range shot. This runs directly up the middle. Yes, we win! 15 minutes into the second half. Donald is on fire with his 5th goal of the tournament. The Seagucks lead by 4 goals. Player number 9. Right side pass. They're attacking from the right. And the score is 4-0. The Seagucks nicely out front with 4 goals. Ah, there's no one to pass to. Oh yeah, kicked it in. Amazing save. And they defend. Player number 5. They got the ball handler too. Yes, the bicycle kick. Oh, that was close. Here comes a trap. This runs directly up the middle. Player number 2. They marked him pretty good. They're making a run from the left side. To the right. Back to the center. And they defend. The Seagucks. Player number 8. Just can't keep up anymore. Bye-bye. Player number 9. Player number 2. Player number 8. Player number 5. Player number 10. This runs directly up the middle. Player number 5. The Seagucks. Throw in. Player number 8. And they force their way through. Player number 11. Look out, here they come on the right. Now that's a shot. Player number 11. Player number 3. Player number 11. Nice long kick. Yeah, that's good defense. Player number 7. The Seagucks. You know, the team's starting to look a little sluggish. My experience tells me people are running out of steam. Middle range shot. There it is! Right at the end of the second half. A beautiful goal by Minnie! The Seagucks need to counterattack. This runs directly up the middle. They got the ball. They shoot! Ooh, to the right side of the post. Player number 10. They're making a run from the left side. Player number 11. The Seagucks win the championship! Thanks for joining us today, and now we're gonna pop down to the locker room and meet one of the stars one-on-one. Today's Disney Sports Network player of the game is Donald. Hey, congratulations on your victory today.
Thank you very much.
That was an incredible goal today.
Of course I did.
Great. Hey, nice job on winning this one.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That was pretty good, huh?
Got it. Hey, thanks for joining us today, everybody. Hope to see you next time on the Disney Sports Network. Ta-ta!